In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to sell on Amazon and exactly how I made the huge mistake of losing $25,000 when selling on Amazon. See, this whole time when selling on Amazon, I've learned a bunch of lessons throughout the times, especially the years. I've been doing e-commerce pretty much my whole life, started on eBay and then moved to Amazon eventually. And I made this huge mistake and it cost me $25,000, and I'm going to talk to you guys about the whole process. But if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you can, especially if you want to learn how to sell on Amazon. I'm going to be teaching people how to do it for free, have a free course for you guys. But let's talk about how I made this huge mistake. So when I first started selling on Amazon, I did really well. My first product launch, I sold it during the holidays, especially during Christmas time, and I even sold out of that product. I was making around $1,000 a day profit on that product, and it was doing very well. I ended up selling out and then moved to my next product. So then I had 2 product lines, and then I eventually invested my money and had 3 products. And throughout that time, I kept reinvesting in the business and having it grow over time. And everything was going extremely well, making a good amount of money. And then I invested in the 4th product, and this is where I made this huge mistake, especially not knowing, and this being my first time selling on Amazon. This cost me so much money and time, and I wish I knew this before selling on Amazon. That's why I'm making this video, to make it clear to you guys, because not a lot of people tell you guys their mistakes. All they do is say how they're successful when selling on Amazon, or they teach people how to sell on Amazon, but they really don't sell on Amazon. There's so much fake gurus and fake knowledge out there that it's crazy, especially on the internet. So I'm making this video to show you guys exactly what happened to me and how I lost $25,000. So what I did was I invested in this product and everything was going great. I did the production, I had it shipped to Amazon's warehouse, and by the time I had it shipped to Amazon's warehouse, I realized that product was being competed with an Amazon product. What I mean by this is that when a product is shipped and sold by Amazon, Amazon tends to favor their products more than your product. So they can even price it at whatever price point they want. They don't even need to make profit. So the price they were having it at was around $5 to $6, and my product was $20. So you already know that they're gonna take all of the sales, they're gonna beat me, the competition, and it just leaves me with a large amount of inventory. I spent $25,000 on this product, having it launched there, and because I had the product and I had a bunch of variations with that product because I wanted to take the whole marketplace for that product line, and that just bit me in the butt. Like, it ruined and set me back so much. I wish somebody gave me that knowledge before doing this. But you know what? I stuck with the business, and throughout time and throughout the years, I grew my business. I'm gonna show you guys on the laptop exactly what my sales are right now and exactly how you can do the same exact thing if you wanna start selling on Amazon. Okay, so this is my Amazon Seller Central account. I have been selling on Amazon for quite some time. I would say maybe around 3 to almost 4 years. And every year I've grown my business from 30 to 50%. I'm also teaching people how to do this for free. I'm having a beginner course coming out, and you can see here today's sales. It's around 3 o'clock right now, so the sales aren't full yet, but I do average around 200 to 250 sales per day. You can see here on the 7-day mark, we did $30,000, close to $30,000 in sales. 15 days, $64,000, and in the 30 days, $129,000 in sales. And it's crazy to see this because I never had this much money in my life, and I literally grew my business step by step, and I made sure the profit margin was correct for every item. And I want to start teaching people how to do this for free. Like, I want to give back to you guys, and I want to teach you guys exactly how you can start selling on Amazon. I'm coming out with a free beginner course teaching you guys the step-by-step knowledge, exactly how I was able to get here, how you can actually find a product, source a product from China, have it shipped to Amazon's warehouse, and have it ranked to the first page. So I'm teaching people how to do it for free. I have a beginner's course, absolutely free, teaching you guys the step-by-step basic knowledge, especially if you want to get into it, maybe make a full-time income. That's great. And we're going to even have a more advanced course. This course will give you all the little details, tips and tricks of how to sell on Amazon, all the little details that you might need to know exactly how to advance to the next step and scale your business to the next level. But let's go on real quick and show you guys, before I go through all that stuff, that this course has, what this course has to offer. So my course here is a free beginner course. Literally all you gotta do is click the link in the bio, click the link in the description, and you can actually go sign up right now and scroll through this course and learn from it. You don't need anything, no credit card, nothing. All you have to do is go to the website, click it, sign up, and you'll have this course right in front of you. And it tells you all this welcome, how to set up your Amazon Seller Central account, how to create a business structure if you want to make an LLC for your business, the FBA fee calculator. There's a bunch of videos. I literally took my heart and soul and put it into this course. I have so much hours I invested into this course, and the beginner course has so much knowledge and information, especially if you're interested in selling on Amazon. It's free, and I want to give it to you guys because, you know, when I started selling on Amazon, there's just a bunch of fake knowledge out there. So much fake knowledge, so much fake gurus that teach people how to sell on Amazon, but they don't really even sell on Amazon. That's the crazy part about all of this, is that people are selling courses and they don't even sell on Amazon. So my course, the basic course, shows you all the basic information how to get started, and the advanced course is always updated regularly because, you know, everything always revolves and changes with Amazon. So if you wanted to sell on Amazon, Amazon is an amazing opportunity. I did lose $25,000 with a mistake, but I'm making around $2,000 or a little bit over $2,000 profit every day selling on Amazon. And from that mistake, I learned and I'm growing every day. So the best thing that I love about Amazon is that you, just living in the United States, you don't always have to be limited to selling in the United States. You can even expand to Canada, start selling in Dubai, in the UK. Even if you're in the United States, you can expand your business and grow your business long term. This is a great way to make a brand and a long-term business. So if you're ever interested in selling on Amazon, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'm gonna have the website in the description down below and the pinned comment as well. And yeah, that's about it. I want to make this quick and simple. If you guys are interested in selling on Amazon, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.